Hey, it's Kira the Conflict Coach with a 2-minute conflict coaching soundbite. Today we're talking about the importance of leveraging the roles we play in our life in order to maintain grit and stamina when we face a challenge. So we all have different roles that we play through our life. We may be husband and father, or we may be sister and daughter. We may have a lot of robust friendships that we hold very near and dear, or we may be very career driven and we really focus on what's happening to our professional lives. But no matter where your key focus lies, it's important to maintain a variety of interests and places where you focus your energies in different contexts, because you never know when a crisis or emergency may hit. And if you have a challenge in one particular role, you want to be able to focus on other roles from time to time in order to de-stress and to be able to gain some perspective from afar. So even if you're very career driven, think about what are the other roles that are important to you, so that if you have a challenge at work, you can just focus on the other people who are important to you. Or, on the other hand, what happens if you have a personal crisis? It's important to have other roles that you play so that you can keep some perspective on that challenge at hand as well. Leveraging your roles is so important when you're facing challenges, to be able to just set aside whatever's going on in one particular context in order to focus on others and find that emotional strength that you need to get through the challenge. I welcome your thoughts and comments. Please like and share this video, and I'll see you at the next 2-minute conflict coaching soundbite.